Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And I haven't done a GME update in a while, and I mean, like, it's good because it kind of it's been kind of doing nothing, as well. But I really like it when GameStop starts to trend sideways and do nothing. I've been tracking the IWM as well, and if you guys have been following me in my GameStop analysis, um, I'm still looking for a lot more upside. Like I'm more looking for this explosive move higher to take place. And I'm like, looking at the comments as well. You know, people are really bullish, and some people are like calling for this thing to crash back down to $5, which I really doubt with so much involvement back in from Roaring Kitty. But again, I don't really care what Roaring Kitty does. People are thinking that he sold his share of GME, but he's still invested. And if he did sell, he'd have to file right and let everyone know. And when I look at the indicators, I've been liking what I've been seeing, right? So you could see here on the daily time frame on GameStop, you got momentum coming back up, and you have one of the most important ones is green money flow. You have money flowing back into this asset, and that's exactly what we want to see. We are literally we're coiling up for a big move higher, in my opinion, right? I think we're gearing up for like one of these explosive moves, but I think it will last, right? I don't think we're gonna get 60-70% in a day, although we could, but I think it's gonna be a nice little, you know, wave one up and then a pullback in wave two, and then a wave three, four, and a five, a 3-3 moment, really bullish. And then I'll take some profits on my trade, right? I'm obviously in the trade inside the Discord, so I'll let you guys know what I do with my position, whoever's inside there with me. And then when we take a look at, let's just delete these lines here. When we take a look at Wave Edge, I haven't been seeing any significant buying or selling though. So I like when the media dies down on GameStop and the attention goes away. That's usually when some of the biggest moves happen, right? When GameStop was down here, probably no one was talking about it. Then you got a peep, and then it kind of got out of hand. Now we're starting to get this a similar situation where it's just not doing much, so people give up, and the interest dies down, and then a huge move comes back, and then all the interest comes back, and then everyone FOMOs in and pushes it up even more. But it's those that are following this every single day that are going to benefit from the move that comes. So let's see on the 4 hour, like the smaller time frames, you got green money flow also coming back. That's a positive. You also have bullish divergence set up here on the momentum waves. You made a lower, then a lower low, but you have a smaller momentum wave. So the bears are really, in my opinion, running out of energy here, trying to push this lower. The 1 hour time frame, chop it about here, not just ranging, but you got green money flow, so that's a positive. Same thing on the 30 minutes. So it's kind of getting set up here for a nice move higher. It's a little bit volatile in the after hours. It was up 1 to 1.2%, I believe, and now it's back down to 0.61. But trust me, what we will need to focus on is not GameStop, but you're gonna be wanting to focus on the IWM. In my opinion, I think the IWM is coiling up for a very big move up if we can get the dollar to continue to push lower, which it finally has. By the way, I don't know if you guys follow my daily market recaps, but I've been looking for the dollar to start to roll over here, and it finally did. And now we're going to be looking for a bit of a pullback up in wave two, which I think would cause the IWM to get maybe one last dip, which would maybe cause the GameStop to get maybe one last dip as well before we start to move higher, right? And then we get that reversal here in the IWM and in a nice push higher. So that's what I've been tracking. That's what I've been following. The yields have also been dropping. We got this spike up here, and then I said that this is probably it. This is probably where the yields are going to top out, and we're going to get an impulse down. And now we're going to get a wave two and another impulse. So that's what I've been following, and that's what's been happening. So hopefully we can get more upside in GameStop if the small caps can perform. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you're still holding your GameStop position, I know, there's a lot of people who think this thing is just a big joke at this point, but it's still stock. It's listed on the stock market, and I see opportunity here. I see lots of opportunity. Anyways, have a wonderful evening, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.